This quick guide will teach you how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. Whether you've recently been promoted or taken on a different position within your current organization, updating your LinkedIn profile is a crucial step in maintaining a professional online presence. Keeping your profile up to date not only reflects your career progression, but also helps you connect with others in your industry who may be looking for someone with your updated skills and experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the LinkedIn URL. Once the page loads, log in if you aren't already. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is important, so make sure you're on a trusted device. Next, locate your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will give you a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile to access your profile page. This is where you can make all the necessary updates to reflect your career changes. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down to find the Experience section. Here, you'll see a pencil icon. Clicking this will allow you to edit your job history. This icon is your gateway to adding or editing any position you've held. Once you click the pencil icon, look for the plus icon. This is usually at the top of the Experience section. Clicking the plus icon will allow you to add a new position. This feature is particularly useful if you're staying within the same company but moving to a different role. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option to add position. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill out the details of your new role. Enter your new job title and select the appropriate employment type that best describes your position. Make sure to choose the same company name to indicate that this is a new role within your current organization. If you're currently working in this role, you can opt to enable the I am currently working in this role checkbox. This option will indicate to your network that this is your current position, which can be particularly helpful if you're open to new opportunities or networking within your field. Next, you'll need to select the start date for your new role. If you've already completed your tenure in this position, you should also enter an end date. Be as accurate as possible with these dates to maintain the integrity of your professional history. Finally, with all the details filled in, it's time to save your changes. Simply click the Save button and your new role will be added to your profile. Your connections will see this update, allowing them to congratulate you or reach out regarding your new position. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile with your new role at the same company. Keeping your profile current is a small step that can make a big difference in how you're perceived professionally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, happy networking.